Here's the thing. I literally don't even know how to start this video. My mom has no idea what's going on, as usual.
I'm like, it's another day.
Today we are going to be exploring and taste testing in the depths that is Watertok. Does that mean anything to you?
Is it about drinking water?
Okay, first of all, can I just start by saying there's been lots of videos about Watertok made probably like 8 months ago. It's very old news at this point, but I'm just arriving to this situation at hand.
I gotta get my glasses.
Yeah, get your glasses on. You're gonna need to see this. This video has 8 million views. Let's just get into it.
Okay.
Let's make my water of the day. We're actually going with the Skittles original packet. All right, I'm going in with the green apple first. Add in my ice, you know I need a lot of it. I'm going to add in the grape packet, but I'm only gonna do like about half if I can. Let's shake that up.
Like a big thing for him is he's always trying to do the like layered pour.
We have the green and purple going on, but we're not done yet. I'm also going to add in some Skinny Mix unicorn syrup. I'm sure it's gonna be good. Ooh, instantly one of my new favorite waters. I said it.
I said I'm introducing my mom to this and I have reserves about it because my mom literally in another alternate universe is one of these Watertok creators.
I'm not kidding you.
It's gonna happen. Because in the video their water bottle was so much bigger, we're gonna do like a half in mine and a half in yours.
Okay.
Okay. So, oh my goodness.
Oh, yum. Well, how come we didn't know there was Skittle water?
See you guys, it's happening. Now we add this one as well.
So we're gonna not worry about layering it.
No girl,
Okay.
I don't have time for that. What's the flavor of unicorn?
I guess like cotton candy, grape. Oh yeah.
I know what this smells like. I can get it, just wait. I know what this is. I'm like dialed in right now.
Let me try it again. It's a blue whale.
It is a blue whale! It is, yeah! Lots of ice, it's important. Okay. When things don't dissolve in water, I always wonder how they'll dissolve in my body. Cheers.
Cheers. Whoa!
Sweeter than pop.
Yeah, that is pungent. It's so good. It's so sweet.
I don't really buy into the fact that it's good for you because I'm the type of person, I've mentioned this in videos before, but I'm not someone who buys into like the sugar-free stuff that is still sweet because I just think it's not sugar, but the sweeteners often I think can be kind of damaging as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you're just doing it because you like the taste, then fine. But if you're doing this because you're like, I'm a health guru.
Right.
I'm giving it a 10. I don't know if I'm gonna find something as tasty as this one.
I love this one. I'm giving it a 10. Yeah, it's just so good. Remember that recipe, Mia.
Oh, is this a good time to mention the sponsor of today's video? I want to say a big thank you to Helix for sponsoring today's video. They have a 4th of July sale running right now, so it's a great time to upgrade your mattress. You can get 30% off an Elite or Luxe mattress plus 2 free pillows, or take advantage of 25% off site-wide. You can check out the Helix site for more details. Helix Sleep makes premium mattresses and bedding that are customized to fit your needs and conveniently shipped right to your door. The Helix lineup offers 20 unique mattresses, including their award-winning Luxe and Ultra Premium Elite collections. Everybody's different and Helix knows that, so they made a sleep quiz that matches your unique body type and sleep preferences to the perfect mattress for you. I personally am a side and stomach sleeper, and I like my mattresses to be very soft, and based on my results, Helix matched me with their Sunset Luxe mattress, and I've now had my Helix mattress for over 2 months, and I gotta say, I am loving it. It's always a little nerve-wracking getting a new mattress, especially ordering one online. I knew immediately I was going to love it because my very first sleep, I slept like a boulder. For a while, me and Stuart were toying with the idea of a mattress where you can like sit up and put your legs up, and it's been amazing for reading and journaling in bed. I was dog sitting for this family once, and they had a bed that like fully would recline, and I remember thinking that was the pinnacle of luxury, and now look. I have one. I can fold myself into a pretzel. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys for a second. I suffer with some pretty serious lower back pain, and sometimes I'll wake up and I can't physically move. So as much as I love this for reading and journaling in bed, I also love it for when I have back pain. It makes getting out of bed easier because I'll flip myself up. And I mean, I literally use it every day. It's my bed. In my opinion, the best part about all of this is you don't even have to leave your house. Helix will ship your mattress directly to your door. For someone who doesn't like leaving the house, that's perfect. It just arrives rolled up in a box and it's super easy to unpack, and then you just leave it for like a day and it'll fully fluff up. And if it makes you nervous to buy something that you've never tried, especially a mattress where it's such a big commitment, Helix has a 100-night sleep trial, so you get more than 3 months to make sure you love your mattress. Plus, Helix mattresses have a 10-year warranty, and they even offer financing options and flexible payment plans. So if you're looking at getting a new mattress, make sure to check out Helix Sleep. And again, their 4th of July sale is running right now. You can get 30% off an Elite or Luxe mattress plus 2 free pillows, or take 25% off site-wide. Click the link down below or go to helixsleep.com/Mia Maples to check it out.
I feel like this woman is the leader of Watertok. I don't know if I'm right because I'm not on TikTok. I don't really know any of this stuff. But I feel like if it was like you were like running a charge, she would be like in the front. You know what I mean? Okay.
On my second water of the day, and it is 11:55. So I'm cruising with the water goes today. Let's go to the old caddy.
They always have a caddy.
Not even gonna look. Let's see. What are we gonna get? Woo! Crushed pineapple, dragon fruit acai, nah, coconut. Let's do that. 2 pumps of the coconut syrup. Mama's trying to have a pina colada. Let's give this a go. If you like pina colada.
I'm excited to see if this actually is like a pina colada.
I'm excited to have that too, just the coconut.
You 100% can take all these home with you. Consider these yours after this.
Even the blue whale.
You can have it. And then pineapple. This one got like crushed in the mail. Do you know where I had to get all this stuff? Like, me and Tay were ordering off the weirdest sites online.
Oh yeah, I'm excited to try this. Oh my gosh, it smells so good.
Hey, settle down.
Is that me?
Yeah, you're shooting water.
whoops,
Guys.
I thought that was you.
Roll back the tape. Ready? Pina
Ready.
colada.
Okay. Whoa.
I was fully expecting in this video for me to be like, this is so stupid, I hate this. I'm like being turned to the dark side right now. I'm literally like, next thing you know, you're gonna go to my TikTok and be like, what is the day, everybody? What are we having today? Let's pull the caddy. Like, so what is this? If this is not a sugar high, what is this? Like this boost of energy and like gladness and joy. What is this? Seriously, what is this? Because this is messed up. Is this from this?
I think it's just like,
Or is it just from hanging out?
we have fun together.
Okay, this is called strawberry pound cake.
Oh, yum.
Strawberry pound cake water recipe, let's get into it. Starting off with a sun-kissed strawberry, I'm using 1 full packet, and then I'm doing 2 pumps of the sugar-free coconut.
They all have such a setup. Like, why is there 3 Stanley cups here?
Almond, I love this. This is what gives it the cake feeling. This is probably one of my favorites. I will be making it again, 9 out of 10.
I love the final just like posing with it. Like, as a creator of content, I relate to having to do that. Okay, so another giant box of stuff that I had to buy. Yeah, so half in mine, half in yours. And then we need a half a tablespoon in each of ours. Because a pump apparently is a half a tablespoon, which I'm shocked by. A pump looks like more than a half tablespoon to me.
It does.
But I Googled it. Time to mix.
Okay.
This one's cute. What are you doing, Jen? I'm ready. That vanilla definitely does add the cakey.
Yes.
Without that vanilla,
The vanilla gives it a really like pound cake feel.
I don't really like artificial strawberry flavor.
Just exactly what I was
It
gonna
gives me
say.
a headache.
Yeah.
Like, I don't like it.
She doesn't like it.
I don't like it. Let them have their water. Let them have their water.
Just they're literally having fun doing it.
When people are really pressed because they're like, it's juice, not water.
It's juice, not water. Okay.
Yeah, people
hang
are saying
on
you
a
add so
second.
much to it. Now it's like it's juice. It's not healthy. It's not water.
Okay. I call this drink.
Did you really have to call attention to that?
I remember as a kid, we always had to be like, you drink juice if it's from a fruit and it has nutritional value. But if it's a drink, if it's just basically flavored water, it's a drink. And I so like, is it orange juice or orange drink? But then later in the day, you could have a bit of drink, but you could like, there's a difference between a drink and juice. Is that weird? Like, have you never heard that before?
No. 6 million views. Are you ready?
Yes.
Check this out. Look at this stash, by the way.
Oh my gosh, people are really doing that.
Like, that's stacked up.
And all the Mio. How did I not know this was a thing?
I don't know, but I'm scared that you know now.
This is what I have right now. We're gonna make a water. All right, we're gonna go in a half a packet of Polar Blast, and then a half a packet of the Wild Cherry by Skittles, and then a half a packet of the Ginger Ale. We're going for a red, white, and blue themed water because you know it's Memorial Day. This is actually a Bomb Pop Moscow Mule mocktail inspired water. Try to say that 3 times fast.
So they were just using their leftovers. I had to buy the full package. So we need to put a quarter of each of these.
Okay.
They're using the TikTok audio, by the way. Like, that's not their voice.
Okay.
Mom. Just so you know, the ways that AI is tricking us, that was not their voice. Be afraid. Quarter of that.
Okay.
Scalpel.
Red, white. Oh shit, was I supposed to go in the right order?
Did you just say, oh,
You know what? After I said that, I thought, does that say like I said ocean? But I actually didn't. Like, it felt like I said that, but I didn't intend to say that. That was really weird.
That was really weird.
That does look really, like, patriotic.
Yeah.
Okay, stirred up.
America.
And what did they say this was some sort of a mule at the beginning?
Bomb pop, baba bop, mule.
Okay, bomb, pop, bada bada bop, mule. Mmm, that's sweet.
I think the Hawaiian Punch is doing it.
The Hawaiian Punch packs a punch. This, Kate, what is this?
Is it a bomb pop? I think it's a bomb pop. Like, I think you're thinking of that popsicle that looks like a rocket ship.
This is definitely... This tastes like a popsicle.
Okay, Mom.
Okay.
This one you're gonna be excited about.
So I saw a recipe that is a Dole Whip dupe, and we're gonna do that one.
All right, first off, water, which we have amazing.
Water from the tap, by
Nice,
the way.
nice.
And we're gonna do the pineapple. This one's sun-kissed. Okay, my coffee bar does have sugar-free vanilla, so we're gonna do a couple pumps of that. Maybe 2, 3, I don't know. Mix it up. Here we go. Whoa.
Whoa. Now that is selling me. Don't lie. We've been there. Where we try something and we go, whoa. It might literally be in this video. We might have done it in this video.
Whoa!
I'm a pretty big judge of Dole Whip because I like it too.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Yes.
Dole Whip. They got us again. By the way, if you're the type of person who doesn't like sweet, you're gonna hate every single one of these.
Drink your drink. Drink your
It's water.
juice. It's drink.
I think you might have just found neutral ground. It's not water. It's not juice. It's drink. Whatever that means. Caramel apple lollipop.
Ooh, yum.
Hey, come make another water recipe with me. I know what you're thinking. 3 in one day? I just can't get enough. Strong, we got purified water, and of course that nugget ice from Sonic.
Oh yeah, I didn't even mention this to you. If you're noticing, everyone has nugget ice. It's like this little nugget ice.
We were shopping just not that long ago.
And I almost
and there
bought the nugget ice thing for this video. But then I was like, $300? Am I being crazy right now? I'm not buying the nugget ice thing.
Jolly Rancher green apple, full packet. Then we're gonna go in with Jordan's Skinny Syrups Vanilla Caramel Cream. 3 big old glugs. Mix that thing up, and now you have a caramel apple pop inspired water.
Okay, and now half each.
Ooh, it smells very tart.
Okay.
Okay.
That is. When you first taste it, you taste the apple, and then at the end, you taste the caramel. At first, it's apple.
I'm so over it. I don't like this one. You guys, you know what? Don't rush out. Okay, you guys. We're stopping with my girl and her Mountain Dew water.
Okay.
Good morning, you guys. All right, I'm making the same water I made yesterday. Why? Because it's that good. We're gonna start with the Tang packet. You guys know Tang packet. That's my love language. That's my childhood right there. Then we're doing 1 pump of the all-natural lime syrup by Skinny Mixes. Then the final thing is Skittles kiwi lime. All right, let's give her the old taste test, y'all, because I already know. I had this yesterday. This is the one, okay? This is the one right here. Baby, make that. It'll change your life.
I just thought of something. She's mixing 3 things to make Mountain Dew flavored water, but can you not buy these little packets that are Mountain Dew?
You know what? There probably is, because there was a packet for Canada Dry, like ginger ale.
Yeah, but maybe that's just not that's defeating
just
the
not
purpose.
fun. This needs to be broken up.
Okay. And then it's just... There. Okay.
And then the Tang, which is my love language. Stuart knows that. And then just 1 pump.
Gosh,
Boink.
this is gonna be so good. I'm excited. That's good. I never really saw myself as a Mountain Dew girl. That's good.
It's the color of like Mountain Dew. Whoa, what is this?
I'm loving this one with the Tang.
Tang is good. What about that one where that person's like, I know what you're thinking, my 3rd one of the day.
This is our 6th one, so we can't talk.
It's our 7th, actually.
Oh.
I think we might have had 7. Here's the thing with me. If I'm gonna have like something really sugary and sweet, I'm gonna have a cookie or a piece of cake. A super sweet drink is not like my muse, I guess. Mine has always been like chocolate. That's mine.
Yeah.
But I do know people who like the sugary drink is literally like their favorite thing, and this would really appeal to them, you know?
Yeah.
It truly feels so far from water at this point. I can kind of understand like the debate between is this water or is this just like something completely different? Because water is so far from what this has become.
Yeah.
I don't feel like this is 100% just water at this point.
Yeah, I agree.
I can say that honestly.
Yeah.
I think some of the recipes was really tasty and good. Would I suggest this to somebody? No.